Hello, and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Responsive Web Design Principles. This is Make an Image Responsive. It says making images responsive with CSS is actually very simple. Instead of applying an absolute width to an element, like this, image width 750 pixels, you can use image max width 100%. Display, we're making it block, and its height is auto. The max width property of 100% scales the image to fit the width of its container, but the image won't stretch wider than its original width. Setting the display property to block changes the image from an inline element, which is its default, to a block element, which is on its own line. The height property of auto keeps the original aspect ratio of the image. Add style rules for the image tag to make it responsive to the size of its container. It should display as a block level element, it should fit the full width of its container without stretching, and it should keep its original aspect ratio. So basically we want to do exactly what they already did here, or what they told us to do here. If we go ahead and just copy this, zoom out so we can see what's going on. Here we just have an image, and the image source is here. So we can actually view that whole image, which looks like that. And if we go in here in our style and we paste that styling for the image elements, so now if we make this smaller, it should scale proportionately. Let's try. And we could see it start zooming down. But that's basically how you would make an image responsive. We simply gave it a max width of 100% versus doing what we usually do, which is assign it some sort of absolute pixel. We made it block so that it wouldn't be treated as an inline style, which means that it got its own line. So if we run this, we should pass it. And we did pass. So the important thing we learned again was how to make our image responsive. We have an image, we select it within our style, and we give it a max width of 100, display block, and the height auto so it keeps its aspect ratio. If you got that, you're getting responsive images and this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.